Yo, what is going on, my retro crew? I miss coming back at you guys again. I'm going to show you guys a super simple, easy way to make great thumbnails. Not too complicated at all, super easy. It's super simple as something as a pose just like that can make an awesome thumbnail. Also, there's a bunch of cool tools I'm going to show you guys that are completely free on the internet. You don't have to have Photoshop or nothing too complicated just to make some awesome thumbnails. Alright, you guys, pop your comments down below so I can chit chat with you. If you guys have a prayer request, put that down below too. I would like to fulfill that. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to make some awesome thumbnails. If you guys want to know, stick around for this awesome video. Let's check it out. Alright, you guys, here we are getting started with this thumbnail tutorial. Pretty simple, pretty awesome. You guys can actually make one using Filmora 9 or whatever video editor you so choose. We're going to drag the green screen image into there with your JPEG image, which is cool. Okay, let's get started on this. Make sure we expand. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your JPEG image and slide it into the project as much as you can. Make sure it's big, and then go into the screen and make sure you maximize your image up there in the upper right hand corner. That way you get a full image, but pick one that when it stretches it doesn't look overstretched. You know the difference between a regular image and an outstretched image. The next time you're going to drag your whatever green screen image you have into that, and you're going to make sure that you place it in there correctly and the pose that you want. You have to go into the video and select the pose that you want, and you can pre-pose that. Now go into the green screen effect in Filmora, go into the offset, fix that, and how easy was that, you guys? We just fixed a green screen image. Just as simple as that, and you have a pose. So what you have to do now, we're gonna hit the Windows key, we're not gonna do that. But anyway, what you guys are gonna do now is we're going to expand the screen in Filmora here in just a second, just to show you guys what it looks like and how you're able to screenshot the image in the green screen. And when you guys do that, make sure you screenshot it well. Okay, see, like I did here, I went into my OneDrive. Wherever you screenshot it at, pick your destination folder and make sure you look it. Okay, so now we're going to expand right here. That's exactly where our image is at. Boom, perfect screenshot. We're going to screenshot here. We're going to go from here. After the screenshot, we're going to go to the destination folder. You always want to verify that your image was saved. Don't just assume that it's in that place where you think it's going to be when you screenshot it. Make sure you verify it. It's easier just to verify it once just to make sure it's there. Alright, so we're going to scroll all the way down just to make sure our screenshot is in the place where we have it. Just keep scrolling down, guys. Okay, we're not seeing it so far, but there we are. Okay, verified that our image is there. Awesome. So now we've got our screenshot. That's a good way of making it. Now we're going to head over to our web browser and we're going to select www.pixelartexpress.com. You're going to come over here to Pixel X or Pixel E. In each one of these you can use PSD files. Very awesome, very powerful online photo editor you can use, so you don't have to have any fancy softwares. I picked Pixel X and it saves your images in there. You can see where I've already done some work inside of there. Easy, simple, basic, make some awesome thumbnails. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to open image and we're going to go to the destination folder where our image is at. We're going to make sure it's there. Go into our pictures folder, go into our pictures, and then scroll all the way down where our images are at just to make sure it's there. And from here, it's going to upload our image into the photo editor. I would highly recommend using this photo editor. I've edited plenty of my thumbnails on this since this tutorial. So it's a very awesome tool that you guys can use. And you don't have to log in to be able to save. But if you look in the upper right hand corner, you will notice that you can save as well. Alright, so we're already posed. Perfect. We're done with that part. All we have to do now is get our text set up, which is very cool. It has a whole text editor, and it already sets a pre-text. Not that I typed that, but it already puts that in there just to give you a good idea of what texts are inside of there. And also, if you have any texts installed on your computer, you can use those as well in Pixlr Express, which is really cool, or Pixel X or Pixel E, whatever they are calling it now. But pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to type in how to make awesome thumbnails, and I'm actually going to use this thumbnail for this video, so it's pretty tight. All right, we're going to go to how to make awesome thumbnails. You can place it anywhere on the screen you like, which is very cool. I mean, they make it very pliable to where you can move it sideways, up. See, if you look on the left hand side, you can see the different fonts it has available. A lot of these are in the program, but a lot of these I also have installed on my computer. But all the preset ones that are in there work very, very awesome, so you guys are going to want to use those as well. Okay, pick whatever font you want. It doesn't have to be a certain size, it doesn't have to be a certain font. It just depends on the user, whatever they prefer. Okay, so sometimes just a plain font, a simple font is cool. I like right here that you could change the colors. Oh man, my favorite color is just to go with something just plain, simple, and basic. And also with this, it's very cool that you can actually pick like a border around the outside. So that was one of my favorite things. Yeah, I like to play with the size a little bit just to make sure it fits well on the screen. I like it all to be across the board on the screen and not separated too much, so that way you guys get a good idea of how to do this. All right, so we're coming over here. We are making a border just so that way you guys are able to see what it completely looks like. All right, so come on down to here. You can turn on the background or turn off the background. I prefer on, because look at that. It just completely changes the whole grammatics of the thumbnail, and making an outline on there works just as well. So you guys want to make sure to make an outline. It completely makes it stand out, just like you're doing Photoshop. The simple, basic, easy way to make a thumbnail. You can color it, you can do whatever you want with it just to make it the way you want it. It's just for the user, and look how easy that was. All you guys have to do from here is basically just save it. So if you guys want to use these thumbnails in your videos, pixlrexpress.com, come over here and you save it. You want to pick 1280 by 720 because that's the standard size for your YouTube thumbnails. Make sure you come over here and save it correctly, because if not, it's not going to fit inside the YouTube banner, or excuse me, thumbnail, whatever you want to choose. All right, so after you resize it, make sure that you guys save it in the correct spot wherever you want. It's going to download, and then from there you're good. You guys now have a thumbnail, and you don't have to have any fancy photo editors. All you got to use is whatever you're editing the videos with. Make sure you save it in the destination, and bam, edit in less than just a few minutes. You have an awesome thumbnail. Let's open it up. Boom. Now you can use that thumbnail in your YouTube videos, guys. All right, well, thank you guys so much for joining today. That was my thumbnail tutorial, how to make awesome thumbnails. You guys make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you guys stay safe, stay awesome, keep it real, keep it fresh, keep it retro. Make sure you guys have yourselves an awesome day. Chit chat in the comment section below and let me know if you guys have some awesome thumbnails. All right, you guys, stay safe, be awesome, and have an amazing day.